Hey there, Quest guys, Quest friends. I hope that you guys are doing great. I am coming to you again about your Google site for your research project. I wanted to show you today how you can add videos and images. Because I think that you guys are probably going to want to fill up your site with several images, I would say, maybe just a couple of videos of things. I wouldn't go too crazy on the videos, but like for example, I discovered or I thought about a category where you could really use all of these things, and that is when you put in the national anthem of your country. Okay, so let me show you how to do some of these things. All right, so this is my site. This is where I left off. I had added this section on my page, and then I added this divider, remember? Okay, so now I need to add a new layout. I know that I want some text, and I know that I want at least an image, so I'm going to click on the layout that gives me both of those. Okay, perfect. Here we go. So I'm going to go here to the title, and the title of this section would be National Anthem. Okay, great. I think that I would like to put the words of the National Anthem in here. So I had already done a search for the National Anthem of England, and I discovered it here on this very credible website. It's the website actually of the royal family of Great Britain, so I know that that's a credible source. So here are the words, and because they are so well known, I don't have to cite it, so I can just copy and paste it straight from this website and borrow it. So I'm going to bring it over here and just paste it right in and make sure that it's formatted correctly. Perfect. So there are the words to the national anthem. Now, the words to the national anthem of England, the title and several of the phrases are God Save the Queen, if it's a queen. Now, if they currently have a king, the song changes to God Save the King. So they currently have a queen. I think it would be a good idea to put in an image of the current queen. So I go over here to this image box, and you see it has the plus sign ready for me. So I'm going to add an image. So I click. I want to select one from the internet because I don't have one saved. If I had one saved already on my computer, I could just click upload and I could do it from there. But I don't have one, so I need to select an image. It's going to bring this search box up for me, and I want to do a Google image search. And I'm going to search for, I happen to know her name is Queen Elizabeth, but I also happen to know she's Queen Elizabeth II. So I'm going to put that in. Oh, this is her when she was younger, when she just got crowned, but this is what she looks like now. So that's definitely the image that I want to use here. So I'm gonna have to move myself so I can click insert. Okay, now look what has happened though. It has come in a really small way, and it has chopped off the top of her head. So I want to click on this box around her, and I want to kind of pull it down, just that bottom tab, until I feel like, there we go. Now we can see all of her. That's so much better. Okay. Now, I think that I would also like to have a video of the actual song being played with instruments and maybe even people singing it. So what I need to do is I need to go over here to the right-hand side again, and if I scroll down, I keep scrolling, here's what I'm looking for. I want to go onto YouTube and find a video to insert. So I'm going to click YouTube, and I'm going to do a YouTube video search. And I'm going to look for the British National Anthem, or I could have typed in God Save the Queen because I know that's the title of the national anthem. So basically it's going to pull up several options. You may have to listen to them a couple of times before you find the one that you want. This one is one I've heard before, so I know it's great. So I'm going to click on that. And then down here I will just say select. And it's going to drop it right in for me. Now, I don't really like that it's all the way down here and separate from this. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this little corner button, and I'm going to kind of shrink this just a little bit, And then I'm going to see if I can pull it up. Perfect. And I got it to line up right underneath the picture of the actual queen. And so now I have this wonderful new section on my website. It's got the national anthem, the words to the national anthem. It has a picture of the queen because that's who the national anthem happens to be about. And then I also happen to have a video of the actual anthem being played. Okay, so that's really all I wanted to show you for today. I will do a couple more videos next week, and I will show you how to add in other things like maybe some charts, maybe a map, some of those other really cool elements, so that you can make your site as wonderful as you want it and add as many things as you would like to have on your site. So if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, take your time, play around in Google Sites. It's really user-friendly, and just start adding your information as best as you can. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.